Good evening and welcome to the session number 50 from the playlist of IIT-JEE main physics. The topic is the motion of a charge in a magnetic field region, and the chapter is the moving charges and magnetism. So today I have taken one question which is based on this topic, and this question was asked in the IIT-JEE main exam in the year 2022. So here the question is: a charge is moving in a uniform magnetic field which is given by 2 I cap plus 3 j cap Tesla if its acceleration is alpha I cap minus 4 j cap meter per second square, then the value of alpha is. So as we all know that the magnetic force is given by the formula that is Fm is equal to Q multiplied by the cross product of V and V. Now here V is the magnetic field, V is the velocity vector, and Fm is the magnetic force. So from this formula we can say that this Fm, that is the magnetic force, is always perpendicular to the magnetic field. It is always perpendicular to the magnetic field. In fact, the magnetic force is perpendicular to the magnetic field and it is also perpendicular to the velocity vector. Now if the magnetic force is perpendicular to the magnetic field, then F dot B, which is equal to mod F mod B cos theta. So this will be equal to 0 because here theta is equal to 90 and cos 90 is equal to 0. Now if F dot B is equal to 0, then we can say that A dot B, this will also be equal to 0, and here A is given to us as alpha I cap minus 4 j cap, dot B is given to us as 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, and this is equal to 0. So this will be so the dot product of these two will give us 2 alpha. Now I cap dot I cap is equal to 1, so I will be getting 2 alpha, and now I cap dot j cap is equal to 0. Similarly j cap dot I cap is also equal to 0. So finally I will be getting 2 alpha minus 12, because j cap dot j cap is equal to 1. So this is equal to 0. So from here alpha is equal to 6. So the correct option here is B, that is 6. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, we will be continuing with the same chapter of moving charges and magnetism, but the topic will be different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.